Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to clear the site cache data from Edge app on Android. So open any of the website in your Edge app. Once you open that, tap on this padlock icon in the address bar, and here at the top you have this cookie and cache site data. Just select that and it will display the amount of stored data, where you can choose to delete that, but it will also delete the cookies as well as site data. There is alternative where you can delete all the cache data for all the websites. For that, tap on this 3-bar options and go to settings, and within the settings you have this privacy and security. Select that, and the first option you have is the clear browser data, and here you can choose to deselect all other options and just keep the cached images and file option. And you can also choose the time range for what time you want to clear the data, and then hit on clear data, which will clear the browsing data. There is also a third option where you can tap on this 3-bar options, go to settings, and within the settings go to privacy and security, and under the privacy and security you have the site settings. Select that and go to extreme bottom where it will display the data stored. Just select that, and here you have the list of all the websites that have stored the data in your browser. Select that site, and you can just tap on this delete command, where it will do the same function that we have done when we were in the address bar. Say suppose this option. So right now that clear cookies and site data is 0 because we have deleted from that option. So in this way you can clear the cache data for a specific site or for all the websites on your Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.